Winter Equipment makes wear products for snow plows that work. We've made life easier, simpler, so you don't have to spend all your time changing blades. That's what makes Winter Equipment one of the world's greatest. Every bolt, every blade, every edge we design is built with one goal in mind: to make a plow driver's job easier, safer, and more efficient. We know that when the snow falls, our customers are the first responders of the roadways, battling the elements to keep streets, highways, and communities safe. That's why we're relentless in our pursuit of quality and innovation. Our wear parts are engineered to last longer, perform better, and minimize downtime. Because we understand that in the middle of a storm, there's no room for failure. But beyond the steel and the carbide, our true strength lies in our customers. You are the reason we push boundaries, the reason we never settle, the reason we're passionate about every product that leaves our doors. Your dedication inspires us, and we're honored to support you with parts that stand up to the toughest conditions. At Winter Equipment, we don't just sell wear parts. We build solutions for those who brave the storm.